Spectrum's Wi-Fi 6 routers, like the RAT2v1K and SAT2v1K, are common for delivering fast internet. Resetting them can fix connectivity problems, performance issues, or software glitches. There are two main types of resets: a soft reset, also called a reboot, and a factory reset, which restores the router to its original state, erasing all your custom settings like Wi-Fi passwords and port forwarding rules. It's important to understand the difference and when to use each type. Remember that resets don't bypass Spectrum's terms of service, and unauthorized changes could violate your agreement. For a soft reset, start by unplugging the router from the power outlet. Next, wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow the router to fully power down. Plug the router back in and wait for the lights to stabilize, which usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. Finally, test your internet connection to ensure everything is working. Now let's move on to a factory reset. For a factory reset, first locate the small recessed reset button on the back or bottom of the router. With the router powered on, use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the router to reboot. It will then broadcast a default Wi-Fi network, often named something like Spectrum Setup XXXX. Access the router's admin panel by typing 192.168.1.1 into a web browser. Use the default credentials, usually admin password, to log in and reconfigure your settings. Don't forget to reconnect your devices and update the firmware through the Spectrum app.